Would you like to transfer to your table to start your tasting menu?
Sure.
Sure.
We've been...
Happy anniversary. Here's our menu. So, since it's your first time, I'll tell a little something about Singular. So, we're a Spanish restaurant. The rices is the 6-course menu, and the horizontal is the 10-course menu.
Look at it. Ano yung note mo?
Kailangan mo na.
Kailangan ko na.
Kaso, hindi pa didig.
It's okay.
Welcome. So if later on you would like to move on to a glass or a bottle of wine, I'm the person. My name is Sylvia.
Thank you. Ito sa iko. Kasi may kanin ako. Tapos linis ako. This one is nice. Oh. Very nice.
Explain mo kung ano yung lasa. Ano yung lasa mamaya?
Sige, mamaya after.
Sige, yung tatlo.
Bye.
Ang tama.
Ako yung maasin siya.
Dahil nakapawa kayo.
Yung loob na siya. Medyo asim at foamy. Yung boyo. Pero yung meow. Yeah, it's named. Yung may yellow. Parang masarap siya. Then yung dalawang savory. May meats kasi siya. Kaya madali ma-appreciate. Yung gitna, the best. Perfect. Yung pangatlo, quality rin. Yung Tiranito de Pastra. Mejillones en escabeche. Yung very nice. Describe what you ate. Sarap. Well, legit naman. Masarap talaga siya. Hindi lang dahil nasa isang fancy restaurant kami. Very nice.
This is the actual start of our journey tonight, and we're in the south of Spain, Andalusia. Have you been to Spain?
Not yet.
Then you will need to go to southern Spain, Andalusia, where the chef is from. He's from Sevilla. This takes us to summertime there. What people do, what people eat. It's all about freshness this day.
So what we're trying now is Albatraba Igarana. We taste it how we want. Yeah, ice cream. Take each component. What? Yung foam daw. Balik siya.
Tomato yun.
Alam,
Yung red.
ito ata. Ha?
Yung kasama ko.
Bagay naman eh. Dish with tunas, tomatoes, and almonds. Well, hindi ko nakita yung pinicturean ni Kay kanina pero masarap siya. May ice cream siya. Kaiba. Well, dessert, ano daw, summertime food sa Spain, sa south of Spain. Pero yeah, it works well. Yung tuna na parang tawag din. Basta yung tuna, tsaka yung ice cream goes well with each other. Kasi yun, yung tomatoes niya, ang tamis parang ubas. Then bagay din siya. A mix of savory, konting sour, tsaka sweet na food. Ayun, ang saya. Ikaw, Admin K.
Favorite ko din yung kamatis.
Iya,
Masarap din na ice cream.
iya, totoo. Bagay siya. Ayun, so first dish out of 5. Let's see kung ano pang may bibigay sa atin ng singular. 1, 2, 3.
Carpachuelo is from Malaga, super typical soup in Malaga. It's basically I put inside of pressure cooker.
Okay.
I put clams. I put different fish
Different fish.
bones. Fish. In this case, is lapu-lapu. Lapu-lapu is enjoy.
Thank you. Chef. Ito yung ano, sa Japan din. Yung parang bean.
Pero pag ganito, hindi ako, parang hindi ko gusto kainin.
Hindi na ako dito. Bean lang yan. So what we had naman was the cabalya and adobo con gazpachuelo. Ayun, so fish dish uli siya na parang nilagyan ng soup. Frothy soup made from the bones of lapu-lapu na pinakuluan for an hour sa pressure cooker. Tsaka clams. Ayun. Ang fresh ng mackerel na ginamit, ang sarap niya. Then yung mayonnaise is okay naman. Well, medyo hindi ko lang natikman masyado yung sa soup, yung broth. Pero all in all, masarap siya na course. It's a good course here. Ikaw, Admin K.
Masarap siya sa akin kasi.
What? Anong nalasahan? Anong
Real?
nasabi mo?
Parang ganun.
Describe mo yung fish.
Masarap.
So, good evening. For next course, we now move to the central of Spain, which is in Castilla y Leon.
Ba't kaya laging green yung lasa? What that? Eh? Hindi, may grapes eh. May grapes. What? Meatball. Cordero asado con lechuga alineada.
Dapat ano din.
Oo nga. Ang sarap na. First time kong makatikim ng lamb. Then, they prepared it as a meatball dish with a side of shrimp and some pickled grapes and cucumber and parang tinapay, which is contrasting with each other pero bagay naman sa isa't isa. Ayun. I'm still not done chewing kasi ang sarap niya. Sulit ko talaga siya. Two meatball siya. Then, solid. Yummy. Ikaw, Admin K, you always need to have feedback.
It's okay. I finish it.
Did you enjoy it? Anong lasa? Was it fun?
I like the fish better
Will Mommy Irene you like the fish better? Okay.
than meat one.
Yeah.
Una ba yung dalawa? Yung bago.
Yung mackerel. Yeah. This by far is the best. Squid ink.
Favorite.
Dahil sarap siya. Ay, masarap to. Ito yung aming tinikman, guys. This one. The mero asado. Mackerel in squid ink. Very nice, very simple din. Yung arroz kanin niya sa ilalim. Very somewhat salty, pero bagay naman siya dun sa mackerel na may squid ink. Ang sarap talaga ng fresh fish, guys. Legit. Okay, last dish. Then, sayonara, bebe.
Second main course that you'll be having here, and we call this one the cerdo and horta con berta gaditana. This one is actually a winter dish that we are trying to combine two different like tradition and dish.
Carrot. Lasang spaghetti. Carrot puree. Mas masarap yung chickpea. I'll have this one first. Sarap ng ice cream. Cute. Ay, very cute this one. Hindi mo sarap. Sarap din yung loob, tip.
This is actually my favorite dessert. It is something that takes us to the south, Andalusia once and again. This is called wineries, las bodegas, where wine is made, but it's not about the red wines or the white wines in Spain that are so famous. It's about something else, about very famous sweet wines and dry wines of
Sarap ng ice cream, tip. Disgusting. Disgusting. Sobrang sarap. Yun ang sa ganun. Sobrang sarap. Weirdly wonderful. Very nice. Description. They like their sours. I think sherry with acidic. Pala acidic. Huh? Sabi tayo.
One, two, three, smile. One more. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay na ba? Treated. Kaya nga eh, isa pa.
Para naman to, para mo kabit mo.
Babay muna sa video.
Kabit mo.
Bye. Hindi, gago ka. Babay ka na sa video. Lolobat
Kabit
na.
niya ako.